Sai Ram, students. So today we shall take the second lesson, that is There is a Girl by the Track, written by Devan Kanal. So it is an emotional lesson, prose, and how daringly the person faced the challenge and saved the girl's life. Correct? So the lesson's name, There is a Girl by the Track. What is by the tracks means? Means by the side of the tracks, beside the tracks. Correct? So there is a girl by the track. I think you have the textbook, open page number 24, and the first sentence is, nobody dared to go where this youngster did. See the sentence. Nobody dared. What is a dare? Daring personality. How dare you are means nobody proved courage. Nobody accepted the challenge. Nobody challenged. No one is ready to go there. Where this youngster did. So here is a character of a youngster named Baleshwar Mishra. He went there accepting challenge. So nobody dared. Many people were there with him, but no one came forward. Where this youngster did. What did he do? Now come to the lesson. Something great he has done. Something admirable he has done. What is that? See, in the first paragraph, see. As the Mumbai suburban electric train made its 22nd 6:32 p.m. halt at a station, commuters swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. It's a regular scene in and around India's most populated metropolis. Having just managed to squeeze herself into a ladies' compartment, 21-year-old call center executive Roma Talriza tried to settle into a corner near the door. The train hurtled ahead, and Roma, jammed between other women, was trying to find some space to stand safely on which she suddenly when she suddenly got pushed, lost her tenacious foothold and panicked. This is the incident, what happened on that particular day. As the Mumbai suburban electric train made its 22nd, so it halted on that particular station for only 20 seconds. When at 6:32 p.m. in the evening, it halted there. Halt at a station. Halt means what? Halt means stop. It stopped for about 20 seconds at 6:30 p.m. So when it stopped, what happened? Commuters. Who is a commuter? Who are commuters? Meaning is given there, very important word for one word substitute. One who travels to workplace daily. Means from home to workplace, from workplace to home. So he is a daily traveler. Commuter, very important word. Commuter means one who travels workplace daily. He is a commuter. Swarmed out. So the passengers, the travelers, swarmed out means, swam means rush. Meaning is given there. Rushed out means they climbed down. And into, entered into, boarded, what? Into its, that trains, 12 packed coaches. So that train had 12 coaches which were filled with passengers and packed coaches. Many passengers were there. So some of them were rushing out, and after that some of the passengers entered into the coaches. So this is it is a regular scene. What is the opposite of regular? Regular. Opposite, irregular. Regularity, noun. Regularly. So the passengers, the people, the travelers went to workplace by train regularly. So it was a regular scene where in India and around India's most populated metropolis. In metropolis and around India's most populated metropolis. What is a metropolis? Metropolis. You might have heard the word metropolitan city. Metropolis means a large, busy, most important city of a country or nation. It should be a large city, busy city, most important city of a nation, that is called metropolis. Metropolitan means belonging to a metropolis. Kolkata, Mumbai, correct? You might have heard metropolitan city. So here metropolis means this is the regular scene. Every day we see this scene. Which scene? Overcrowded trains packed with the passengers. This is the regular scene. So what is the regular about the scene? In most of the metropolis in India, the coaches are all packed, fully crowded. This is the regular scene. It's a regular scene in and around, in preposition, around India's most populated metropolis. Then, having just managed to squeeze, as it is full, as it is overcrowded, she just managed to squeeze. Squeeze means to fit into a tight place. Squeeze means to fit into a tight place. She managed to squeeze or to force someone or something into a small place. That is squeeze. Mudududu ant heltare. Correct? Then into, squeezed into, mududu niltare, into a ladies compartment. So she entered into a ladies compartment and managed to stand there. ನಿಲ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಯಾರದು? 21-year-old call center executive ರೋಮಾ ಟಾಲ್ರಿಜಾ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹರ್ ನೇಮ್? ಏನು ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರು? ರೋಮಾ ಟಾಲ್ರಿಜಾ. ಹೌ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ಶಿ? ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ 21 years old. Tried to settle into a corner near the door. ನಾವು ಹಾಗೆ ಬಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ರಶ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾಗಿಲ ಹತ್ರ ಹೀಗೆ ಮುದುಡಿ ನಿಲ್ತೇವೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ರಶ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅವಳು ನಿಲ್ತಾಳೆ, ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ into, become firm, become calm, adjust, ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶಬ್ದ. ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ನಿಯರ್ ದ ಡೋರ್ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದ ಟ್ರೈನ್ 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಯಿತು. ದ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಹರ್ಟಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಮೂವ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ಹರ್ಟಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೂಡ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ಬಿಗ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜರ್ನಿ. ಹರ್ಟಲ್ ವೇರ್? ಅಹೆಡ್. ಅಹೆಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಹೆಡ್, ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್. Or another word, onward. It started its onward journey, movement. And Roma jammed between other women, stuck between other women, struck between other women. She was unable to move, jammed between other women. ಉಳಿದ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಜಾಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. was trying to find some space to stand safely. ಈಗ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. she has to stand safely on when she suddenly got pushed. ಹೇಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿ. ಸೇಫ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೇಫ್, ಅನ್ಸೇಫ್. ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಶಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಪುಷ್ಡ್. ಶಿ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಪುಷ್ಡ್. ಯಾರೋ ದೂಡಿದಾಗ ಆಯಿತು, ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಪುಷ್? ಶಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹರ್ ಟೀನಿಯಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೀಕ್. ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. weak, tennis, weak or shaky. Tennis, foothold means a solid grip, hold on the foot. So foothold and panicked. Panic meaning is given there. Suddenly feel frightened. When she was pushed, she was panicked, lost control. Then what did she do? Next paragraph. Now read the first and first paragraph. Finish. Come to second paragraph. Suddenly, immediately, what did she do? Her hands reached for the steel railing. What is railing? Steel, you know. S-T-E-E-L. Homophone C. S-T-E-A-L. These are the two homophones. Steel means a metal. Here steel means you know. Next, steel, ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಕದಿಯು ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ರೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾನೆ. ರೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ರಾಡ್, ಒಂದು ರಾಡ್. ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ರೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್. ನೀವು ಬಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಹೀಗೆ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿತೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ರೈಲಿಂಗ್. A rod to hold, to stop the fall, stop falling. So ಹೀಗೆ ಕೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. Above, but finding only air, she couldn't reach the steel railing. Roma was thrown out of the coach. So what was the result? She was thrown out of the coach. ಅವಳು ಎಸೆಯಲ್ಪಡ್ತಾಳೆ ರೈಲಿನಿಂದ. ರಾಡ್ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ಬಾಗಿಲ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಂತಿದ್ಲು. ದ ಕ್ಲಾಟರಿಂಗ್ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅರಚುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಶಿ ಕ್ರೈಡ್. ದ ಕ್ಲಾಟರಿಂಗ್ ರೋರ್, ಘರ್ಜನೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ಲಾಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಲೌಡ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. The movement of the train creates loud sound. That sound, what is that? The clattering roar of the train, ಅದರ ಶಬ್ದ ಏನಾಯಿತು? Muffled the thud. Muffle means M-U-F-F-L-E. It's a verb. Muffle means lower. Muffle means it is given there, meaning is given there. What is the meaning? Silenced, muffled, silenced, lowered, silenced. What did it silence? The thud. Thud means sound. ಲೋವರ್ಡ್ ಸೌಂಡ್, ಆ ರೈಲಿನ ಶಬ್ದ, ಇವಳು ಬೀಳುವಂತಹ ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹರ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ಮೀಟರ್ ಬಿಲೋ. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಶಿ ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್? ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಲೋ the train on the tracks. She was knocked senseless. Knock means strike with a blow. She was hit. She became unconscious. She lost her consciousness. Then smriti tappittale, senseless. Now come to the third paragraph. Standing near the door of another train speeding in the opposite direction. Speed present. Sped past. Sped past participle. Speed, sped, sped. Speeding present participle. So speeding in the opposite direction. So she was traveling by the train in this direction. Now she fell down from the train. Roma fell down from the train. At the same time another train was rushing in another track in the opposite direction. ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ರೋಮ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಈಗ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? In the opposite direction, yaru 20-year-old Baleshwar Mishra. So he was traveling by this train. ಈ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ? could not believe, he was not able to believe, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಯ್ತು ನಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು? what he had just seen ನೋಡಿ, SEEN, ಹೋಮೋಫೋನ್ ನೋಡಿ, SCENE, ಇದು ದೃಶ್ಯ, ಇದು ನೋಟ. ಸೀನ್ ಹೋಮೋಫೋನ್ಸ್. he could not believe what he had just seen. ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನ ಕಣ್ಣನ್ನು. ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು? ವಾಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ಹಿ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್? he could not believe what? A young girl, a girl was lying by the tracks. ಆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಹುಡುಗಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ. what he had just seen, what is that? A young woman in a black salwar kameez. She was wearing a salwar kameez, lying where? next to the track. ಅವನ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ನಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಮಧ್ಯ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಇವನಿಗೆ ನಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. he could not believe. meanwhile means at the same time. gasps meaning is given there. a deep breath taken when surprised. ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆದಾಗ ನಾವು ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಹೇಗೆ? ಡೀಪ್ ಬ್ರೆತ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಏದು ಸಿರು ಬಿಡುವುದು ಅಂತ. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಪ್ಸ್, ಸಡನ್, ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಸಡನ್ ಬ್ರೆತ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ವೈಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮೌತ್, ಬಾಯಿ ಆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್, ಅರಚಾಟ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಇಮ್ಯಾನೇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಅಂತ, ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್, came out. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? from his compartment means the people who were traveling by that train, Baleshwar train, were surprised to see, astonished to see, shocked to see what? a girl lying by the side of the track. ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು, ಶಾಕ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಅರಚಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಕಿರಿಚಾಡಿದ್ರು. his compartment, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು? there is a girl by the tracks. the voices cried out. there is a girl by the track. who said this? the passengers of Baleshwar's train cried out. who is the girl there? who is the girl? Roma Talrisa is the girl. who cried out? the passengers of Baleshwar's train. Why? they saw the girl lying by the side of the track. Correct? Then Why did they cry out? Because they saw a girl by the side of the track. Correct. Extract question, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Come to the fourth paragraph. Impulsively, meaning is given there. What is that meaning? Without thinking, without any second thought, without any thinking, impulsively. What did Baleshwar do? Baleshwar went, gone, and grabbed. What is grab? Grab means seize, hidiyu. Grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it down. How? Frantically, with no hope. So he did not know whether he would be successful in his effort, but he tried his level best. Correct? Try and try. He followed that method. So what did he do? He pulled the red emergency chain. Why? To stop the train. With no hope he did that work. Frantically, with no hope. The train screeched. Screech means, is it given there? No. Make an unpleasant high sound. Screech. S-C-R-E-A-C-H. Make an unpleasant noise. Make an unpleasant noise and stop very suddenly. The train screeched, made an unpleasant sound. That means the driver applied brake. Driver braked. Correct? So he decided to stop. The train screeched, slowing down. He then surveyed the compartment full of weary faces. Then he went from one compartment to other compartment, surveying the people, surveying the passengers of his train. So what could he find? What did he see? Full of weary faces. So everyone was moved. Everyone was affected by the scene of lying girl. Correct? So everyone felt very sad for that incident, full of weary faces. Then what did he do? He said, let us go and help her. He shouted. So let us go and help her. Very important for extract, remember. Who said this? Baleshwar Mishra said this. Who is the her here? That is Roma Talriza. Why should they go and help her? Third question. Because she was lying by the side of the track and she lost consciousness, so she needed the help of others. What does it tell about the speaker? His kind nature, kindly nature, compassion, love, mercy. Correct? So let us go and help her. He shouted. Whom was it said to? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದದು? To the passengers of Baleshwar's train. Correct? Let us go and help her. Shouted. He shouted. But nobody volunteered. ಸಹಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರು. Volunteer means come forward. ವರ್ಬ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Nobody came forward. ಯಾರು ಸಹ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್, ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ nobody volunteered. ವೈ? ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. afraid of, ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಇತ್ತು. getting involved in, to get involved in. to take part in any activity. To take part in any activity, that is get involved in. So afraid of getting involved ಒಂದು, ನಾನು ಸಹ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗ್ತೇನೆ ಎನ್ನುವುದ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಆರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್, ಬಹುಶಃ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ತೊಂದರೆ, ಇನ್ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಫೇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಡಿಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಹಿಮ್. Getting involved or of being inconvenienced perhaps, this is the reason why didn't they come forward. Come to next, fifth paragraph. So nobody came. His heart hammering his chest. Hammer, noun and verb. Remember, hammer can, the word hammer can be used both as verb and noun. His heart hammering his chest means his heart beat faster, began to beat faster. Baleshwar showed, push roughly, meaning showed himself to the door, rushed towards the door. What did he do? Neglected others and jumped off. Off means away, correct? Jumped off the still moving train. Still means ಇನ್ನೂ moving, ಚಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ, ಬಾಗಿಲತ್ರ ಧಾವಿಸಿ ಹಾರಿಯೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಕೆಳಗೆ. ರೈಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್, ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್, ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್, ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹಾರಿದ. ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್. ಆಸ್ ಹಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್, ಆಸ್ ಹಿ ರೀಚ್ಡ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್, ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತಾಗ ಎ ಬಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇನ್, ಒಂದು ಹೊಡೆತ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಡ್, ಎ ಬಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇನ್, ಶಾಟ್ ಅಪ್. ಶೂಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್. ಶೂಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೋ ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡ್ಲಿ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಎ ಬಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೈನ್, ಒಮ್ಮೆಲೆ ನೀವು ಎತ್ತರದಿಂದ ಹಾರಿದರೆ, ಕಾಲು ಉಳುಕಿದರೆ, ತಿರುಚಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನೋವು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದೇ ಅನುಭವ ಆಯಿತು. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಇನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಕಲ್, ಕಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾಲಿನ ಮಣಿಗಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನಿಗೊಂದು ನೋವು ಬಂತು. ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ನೋ ರಿಯಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್. ಹಿ ಡಿಂಟ್ ಕೇರ್, ಹಿ ಡಿಂಟ್ ಪೇ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ನೋ ರಿಯಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್. ಹಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಅಪ್, ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತ. To find a part of his old rubber slippers sole. ಎದ್ದು ನಿಲ್ತಾನೆ, ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್, ಸೊ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೋಲ್, ಸೋಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ SOLE, ಬಾಟಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಶೂ which touches the ground while walking. ನಾವು ನಡೆಯುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾದದ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಭಾಗ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ತಲುಪ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಆರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೂಟ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾದದ ಕೆಳಭಾಗ ಟಚ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ, ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಟಚ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಚಪ್ಪಲಿಯ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಭಾಗ ಅದು ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಡೆಯುವಾಗ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೋರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್, ಅದು ಹರಿದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಆಸ್ ಎ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾಲ್, ಅವನು ಬೀಳುವಾಗ ಅದರ ಸೋಲ್ ಹರಿದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೆಕ್ತಾನೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಬಟ್ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರನ್ ವೆರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್, ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಬೇಕು? ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೇನಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ರೆಡ್ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಎಳಿತಾನೆ, ರೈಲು ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಯಿತು, ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಟ್ಟುವಾಗ ಅವನು ಹಾರಿದ, ರೈಲು ಪಿಕ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಪುನಃ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಮ್ಮ. So started to sprint back, run back between the tracks. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದೆ, ರೋಮಟಾಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ರೈನ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ಇದರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ತಾನೆ, ರೈಲು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಪಿಕ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್. ಸೊ suddenly then when he jumped off the train, his train picked up its speed and disappeared. Appear, disappear. Appear, vanish, opposite, important word. Appear, vanish. Appear, prefix, disappear. So this is about Baleshwar Mishra and Roma Talriza. What happened on that particular day in the evening? How was the accident happened? Correct? Then, so we shall stop here. Next period we shall continue. Sai Ram.